Jay Graham's here at Volo Museum Auto Sales. We're going to do a showroom tour here in Showroom 5 today. We just gave this showroom a facelift. This is our first tour in here. So we have a blue Cobra here for sale. I think we have 2 or 3 of those on our website you can check out right now. A 79 Trans Am. What makes that one special? You're looking at an original unrestored car with the 400, with the 4-speed, red with the white interior. Corvair convertible, restored by OPG Parts Group. He did a fantastic job. This car is incredible. It needs to find a new home. It's a 57 Chevy, stripped down, no back seat, rear windows don't roll down. It's the Handyman Special, and it's a fuel-injected car, nut and bolt restored. Someone will love that car. Here's another one of the Cobras that we just mentioned. Now here's a 57, kind of the opposite of the one behind you. This is a complete body off frame. It's just as pretty underneath. It's all updated. This one's got a 350 ramjet motor. Beautiful colors. The burgundy wine metallic with the beige leather interior is just absolutely stunning. About a 57 Ford Skyliner, loaded up, spotlights, Continental kit, the rear antenna, air conditioning. Beautiful, beautiful car of the 50s. All the prices, all the information, pictures, videos are on our website. 70 Challenger RT 383. That one has a hefty deposit, so that's as good as sold. This little 33 Ford Speedster has an LS motor in it. Now that thing's cool as can be, purple with the white interior. Absolutely stunning colors on this 68 Dodge Dart, little 340 motor in it, the black with the white and then the red accents, just killer. 57 Chrysler we brought back from Sweden, nut and bolt restored. 61 Buick, I would argue this is the nicest one in existence. It's an Electra 225 loaded with options, dual spotlights, genuine leather upholstery, rare bucket seats with the console. I mean, this one was taken to the next level. It's outstanding. Another white with red convertible, 68 Firebird, also a meticulous nut and bolt restoration, 350 with an overdrive automatic trans, Ram Air. Again, absolutely pristine. Beautiful 67 442. Look at that black body and paint on here. The red accents. We like good looking cars. We shop for colors and wheels and stance. 67 Chevelle, number matched, 396 4-speed in the iconic Marina Blue. 67 Camaro, I bought this outside at a show and it's just gleaming out in the sun. It's nut and bolt restored. Little 327 with a turbo 350, power steering, power disc brakes. Get in and drive and enjoy the compliments. 65 Chevelle here. Also a nut and bolt restoration with a 385 motor, 410 horsepower, and a 4-speed transmission. Yeah, check that out on our website. The more you look at it, you'll really appreciate all the work that's been done to it. 69 Camaro, another 79 Camaro, another Survivor. It's a Z28, 4-speed, 22,900 actual miles. 67 Corvette here. We love these C2 coupes in particular. That one's got a deposit on it. 67 Chevelle, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, posi. Got a 454 and an automatic. Now this is something you do not find. This just came in. It's a 1970 Boss 429 Tribute. It's got a 520 Boss motor, ground up restoration, Tremec 5-speed, rack and pinion. You don't find Boss clones like that. Absolutely stunning 73 Camaro Rally Sport Pro Touring. The fit, the finish, the wheels, the stance are awesome. Black leather interior with the red stitching. Just an amazing car. 69 Cornet. This car came and went real fast. That's sold. This one's not on our website yet. It's a 428 Super Cobra Jet. Waiting to go through the shop for inspection and service. This car has been noted as the most highly optioned convertible Camaro. It's a 67 RS with over 20 options on the car. Red Rally Sport. We're dealing with some of these Mercedes as long as they're exceptional and keeping with the beautiful color theme that we talked about. This is a 2019 SL 550 with 12,000 actual miles. 66 Mustang Pro Touring. It's got a 5-liter fuel-injected motor, 5-speed, deluxe pony interior, lots of nice upgrades. Here's an original, ground-up restored 68, real GT, real factory colors, the Gulfstream Aqua with the parchment interior. It's the S-Code 390 with the 4-speed. Rare car. I think the Marty report says it's one of like 37 with those colors, something like that. 70 Chevelle came and went real fast. That one sold. 69 Camaro RSSS resto-modded. It's got the LS motor and the overdrive automatic and the air conditioning, so it has all the upgrades, but it was restored to look stock. That's a resto-mod. 59 Cadillac. This one came and went real fast too. We waited a year to get the dash pad in there, and we finally got the new dash and put the car up for sale, and it sold immediately. This one is a deposit. That's extremely special, again, because the colors, the black with the red, certified by Jerry McNeish. It's authentic, and it's an RSSS big block car. Mopar experts can come inspect this one. It's a 68 Dodge Coronet RT, numbers match Hemi 4-speed car. Incredible colors. There's nothing to apologize for in this one. A special car. Not everyone needs a Chevelle or a GTO. This is a 65 Buick Grand Sport, the 4-speed. I think it's a 401 nailhead. Lots of nice options and a meticulous restoration. 73 Lincoln Silver Luxury Edition, 31,000 miles. The silver with the red is why I bought this car. Our pictures online don't do it any justice. You see this silver sparkling with the red out in the daylight, it's knock your socks off. 59 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, air ride, and just turns heads like you wouldn't believe. Upgrade with an LS motor. 67 Mustang. 289, putting out 300 horsepower, complete roundup restoration. Underneath's painted like the top's air conditioned. Rare car, 71 Dodge Super Bee, numbers match, one of 99 made like this. It's a 446 pack. Of all the Thunderbirds, arguably this is the most desirable. It's the 03 Bond Edition. They made 700 of these, and this one has 292 miles. I just got it from the original owner that I know very well, and he is a Ford collector. You won't find a better one in existence anywhere. Here's a rare car, 71 Camaro SS 396. Number matching car. There's like 30 miles and a complete nut and bolt restoration. Couple more 57 Chryslers, absolutely stunning cars. Little 32 Ford Custom. So we got a few more cars in the back corner, but we covered just about everything in here. We'll be covering the other showrooms in the very near future. Go to volocars.com to get all the specs, and feel free to contact us with any questions or comments. Thanks for watching.